Hello, this is Dr. Girija Wagh, gynecologist and fertility specialist from Pune, Maharashtra, in practice for the last 29 years. In this episode, we are going to talk about intrauterine insemination, which we typically call as IUI. Now, IUI is a type of assisted reproductive technology and it is different from IVF. IVF step to step I have already done in one of our episodes. Please visit there to get more information. So in this episode, we are going to talk about IUI. Now, what do we do in an IUI? In IUI, we help the patient or the couple a little by actually processing the sperms of the man and making them into a pellet which is containing the healthy sperms, and these are placed in the woman's womb. So this is a process, and this process does not require a very elaborate lab like it's necessary for an IVF pregnancy. Here you can do it in a basic laboratory setting. So when do you do this procedure? This is usually done when the couple is finding it difficult to get pregnant for various reasons. One of the reasons can be that the ovulation of the woman is not very satisfactory or optimal, and therefore the doctor decides to do what is called as controlled ovarian hyperstimulation. So you try to make better and more eggs from your ovaries. That is one. The second situation where we do this is when the sperms of the man are not up to the mark. So sometimes there can be issues with mobility of the sperms or the quality of the sperms or the number of the sperms. And very rarely it is done when the biological tick is now clicking faster for the couple and they have lost their patience with natural conception. And sometimes it is also considered when the couple finds it very difficult to have intimate relationships. So usually your doctor decides what is going to be right for you. Whether it's going to be intrauterine insemination, whether it's going to be natural conception, or whether it's going to be artificial reproductive technology with in vitro fertilization. And these decisions are based after discussing with you. So it's not that the doctor calls her or his shots. The doctor will help you take the right decision, which is going to be appropriate for you, because the final aim is that you must be able to conceive and deliver a healthy baby. Now, what is done? Usually, after first, your health has to be optimized. So, how are we going to optimize the man and the woman's health is going to be discussed in one of our other episodes. Once your health is optimized, you are started on ovulation stimulation medicines. So, these can be in the form of oral tablets or they can be in the form of injectables. Whether you are responding to these medicines properly or not is decided by hormonal checkups or by doing sonography. And then on a peculiar day, when you're going to be ready now for ovulation, a trigger is given, and that again trigger is in the form of an injection. An injection is given to you which will help in making eggs from your ovary, releasing eggs from your ovary, and around that time we then take an appointment with the lab where the man's semen is injected inside the uterus. Now, how is this done? The man is asked to collect his semen, and then the embryologist processes the semen. That's called as semen washing. And this processed healthy sperms are placed in the woman's uterus with a special cannula. And then we expect that you will ovulate and you will continue to conceive and then make a baby. Now, most of the times IUI helps in increasing the possibility of conception by about 20 to 30% than natural conception. That's one. Secondly, some sort of medical support is given after ovulation to help the implantation of your pregnancy. The most important thing is that there has to be definite confirmation of the fact that the woman's tubes are open. If the woman has a tubal block or she has a tubal disease which has been proved by any means, then intrauterine insemination is not the treatment. So for one of the most important requisites for intrauterine insemination is healthy tubes of the woman, because we are just giving a little assistance by shortening the journey of the man's sperms in the woman's body, that is one, and ensuring that the healthy gametes are formed by the ovulation induction medicines and healthy sperms are placed in close contact. So I think I have made it very, very easy to you for you to understand what is IUI. If you require any assistance, any guidance, please feel free to connect and consult, because finally we have to achieve healthy and successful pregnancies. Thank you. This is Dr. Girija Wagh, gynecologist and fertility specialist in Pune, Maharashtra.